vast piece of land, amidst endless greenery, where the rooster's crow echoes every morning. That is the dream of many free-range chicken farmers. But behind that success, is it just luck? Let's embark on a journey to discover the secrets of free-range chicken farming from seasoned experts. Did you know that the location of the chicken coop can determine 50% of the success in poultry farming? Choosing the right spot isn't just about finding a spacious piece of land, it also involves meeting several important criteria to ensure the sustainable development of the flock. Don't rush to build a farm too close to residential areas, markets, garbage dumps, or major roads. These areas pose high risks of air pollution, noise, and disease outbreaks. A quiet, clean environment will help the chickens grow healthily, reduce stress, and minimize the risk of disease transmission. Choose a plot of land with high elevation, not prone to flooding during the rainy season. The drainage system should be well designed to prevent rainwater from pooling in the coop or the free-range area. Stagnant water can lead to intestinal and respiratory diseases in chickens, reducing farming productivity. The orientation of the co-op is also crucial. Ideally, it should face southeast or south to catch cool breezes in summer and avoid cold winds in winter. This helps maintain a stable temperature inside the co-op, preventing heat shock during sudden weather changes. Not only do you need enough space for the co-op, but you should also consider room for future expansion. The free-range area should be spacious enough for the chickens to move around comfortably. If you plan to stagger your flocks, ensure you have enough space to rotate them efficiently. An efficient poultry farm requires clear zoning. Main co-op, this is where the chickens are housed, ensuring the area is suitable for the stocking density, 6 to 7 birds per square meter when not free-ranging. Waste treatment area, located at least 20 to 30 meters from the co-op, with a safe system for handling manure and dead birds. Feed storage, away from the chicken area, dry, ventilated, and free from mold. Quarantine area, for isolating new or sick birds, helping to control disease outbreaks more effectively. To protect against natural predators like weasels, foxes, rats, or thieves, you need to build a sturdy fence around the farm. You can use B40 mesh or brick walls at least 1.5 meters high to prevent intrusions. Water is essential for the flock. Ensure the water source, whether from a well, tap, or filtered water, is free from contamination. If the area has water with high iron or heavy metal content, install a filtration system before providing it to the chickens. Poultry farming requires an electrical system for lighting and heating, especially during the brooding stage. If you're in a remote area with unstable grid power, consider installing a backup generator or using solar energy to ensure a continuous power supply. Planting trees around the co-op helps regulate air quality, reduce temperatures in summer, and protect the chickens from cold winds in winter. Additionally, greenery helps minimize environmental pollution and limits the growth of disease-causing bacteria. If there are other poultry farms nearby, ensure a minimum distance of 500 meters to 1 kilometer between farms to reduce the risk of disease transmission. From the planning stage, you need a disease control strategy. Build a disinfection pit at the farm entrance to limit pathogens from outside. Set up a quarantine area for new birds to monitor them before integrating them into the flock. Maintain a health record for the flock to detect early signs of illness. Choosing a location for your chicken farm isn't just about finding an empty plot. It must meet several important criteria to ensure sustainable development. A high, dry area, far from residential zones, with clean water, stable electricity, and a clean environment will provide a solid foundation for your success in free-range chicken farming. Remember, a poor location choice can lead to severe consequences like disease outbreaks, high mortality rates, and low productivity, so take the time to research thoroughly before building your free-range chicken farm. The co-op is the home of your flock, and if not designed properly, your chickens may face issues like diseases, stunted growth, and even significant losses. There are various types of chicken coops, but the most common are open-sided, semi-enclosed, and enclosed coops. Open-sided co-op, designed with natural ventilation, surrounded by B40 mesh or bamboo slats, allowing chickens to interact with the outside environment, suitable for free-range farming. Enclosed co-op, typically used in industrial farming, with better ventilation and temperature control systems, but more expensive to build. For free-range farming, open-sided coops are optimal as they allow chickens to grow naturally and healthily. A standard chicken coop must meet the following criteria. Orientation, southeast or south facing to catch early sunlight and avoid strong drafts in winter. Roof, made of tiles, cool metal sheets, or palm leaves to maintain stable temperatures. Floor, cemented or compacted soil, ensuring good drainage. Walls, about 40 centimeters high, with mesh or bamboo slats above for ventilation. Eaves, about 1 meter wide to shield from rain and provide drainage. Additionally, place a disinfection pit at the entrance to prevent bacterial contamination. Proper stocking density ensures the chickens aren't overcrowded, reducing disease risks and promoting faster growth. The recommended density by age is -1 to 3 weeks old, 20 to 25 birds per square meter. -4 to 6 weeks old, 14 to 16 birds per square meter. 7 to 9 weeks old, 10 to 12 birds per square meter. -10 weeks and older, 6 to 7 birds per square meter. When the flock reaches maturity, ensure ample space for free movement. Lighting and ventilation play crucial roles in chicken development. Lighting, chicks need 24/7 lighting for the first 3 weeks. Then gradually reduce to 16 to 18 hours per day. Ventilation, ensure the co-op has enough windows or vents for proper airflow. Reducing odors and humidity. Feeders and drinkers should be well placed to avoid waste and maintain hygiene. Feeders, use long or hanging feeders at chicken height to prevent spillage. Drinkers, use gallon drinkers, changing water at least 3 to 4 times daily to ensure cleanliness. A well-designed co-op not only promotes healthy growth but also saves labour, reduces disease risks, and boosts productivity. If you want to turn your chicken coop into a gold mine, invest wisely from the design stage. One of the key differences between industrial and free-range chicken farming is the grazing environment. The free-range area isn't just an open space for chickens to roam, it's a natural playground that promotes healthy growth, boosts immunity, and enhances meat quality. Each chicken needs at least 1 to 1.5 square meters to move comfortably. If possible, expand the area to 2 to 3 square meters per bird to allow them to forage naturally for grass and insects. This not only reduces feed costs but also improves meat quality. Divide the free-range area into zones for rotational grazing, allowing the land to recover and preventing pollution and degradation. Trees provide shade and create a natural environment, reducing stress and promoting better growth. Suitable trees for free-range areas include fruit trees like mango, jackfruit, guava, and banana, providing shade and fruit as supplementary feed. Legumes improve soil quality and provide a natural protein source. Low shrubs enhance biodiversity, attracting insects, a natural food source for chickens. Chickens naturally dust bathe to remove parasites. Provide standard dust bathing pits, about 15 meters long, 4 meters wide, and 0.3 meters deep, sufficient for 1.000 chickens. Add ash or lime to the pits to enhance disinfection and prevent skin diseases. Fencing prevents chickens from wandering and protects them from predators. Use B40 mesh or bamboo fences reinforced with wire for durability. Additionally, take measures to prevent birds, rats, and other animals from entering the area. Regularly clean manure to avoid pollution. Spread lime or disinfect periodically to kill bacteria. Rotate grazing areas to keep the land clean. A well-planned free-range area not only ensures healthy chickens but also optimizes costs and boosts productivity. If done right, you'll see a clear difference in meat quality and economic efficiency. Are you ready to invest in this million-dollar playground? Not all chicken breeds are suitable for free-range farming. To achieve high efficiency, choose breeds with good adaptability, strong immunity, steady growth rates, and high meat quality. 1. Criteria for selecting quality breeds. Clear origin. Breeds should have proper documentation and health certificates. Good growth rate. Choose breeds with fast weight gain without compromising meat quality. Strong immunity. Breeds should resist common diseases like Newcastle and Gumboro. High meat quality. For free-range farming, flavor and texture are crucial to meet market demands. 2. Popular free-range breeds. Mia chicken, known for delicious meat and fast growth. Ree hybrid, suitable for large-scale farming, with strong disease resistance. Lak Tui times Luong Phun, fast growth, tender, and sweet meat. Ho chicken, a specialty with flavorful meat but slower growth. 3. How to check and select chicks. Observe appearance. Chicks should be active, bright-eyed, and strong-legged, with no deformities. Check origin. Only buy from reputable hatcheries with full vaccination records. Quarantine new birds. Isolate new birds for at least 2 weeks before integrating them into the flock. With the right breed and scientific farming techniques, you can build an efficient free-range chicken farming model that delivers sustainable profits. Free-range chicken farming isn't just about letting chickens roam, it's a process that requires intellect, effort, and strategy. If you follow the steps above, you'll not only succeed in farming but also turn your co-op into a true gold mine. Are you ready to start building a professional free-range chicken farming model? Feed doesn't just help chickens grow, it also affects meat quality, immunity, and survival rates. Therefore, understanding the nutritional needs of chickens at each stage is key to maximizing profits. To ensure comprehensive growth, the diet must include protein, supports muscle development and fast growth. Good sources include fish meal, soybean meal, bone meal, and earthworms. Carbohydrates and fats provide energy. Corn, rice bran, paddy, potatoes, and cassava are rich sources. Minerals, calcium and phosphorus for strong bones. Add oyster shell powder, eggshells, or bone meal. Vitamins, vitamins A, D, E, K, and B complex promote health and prevent diseases. Fiber, aids digestion, found in greens, duckweed, and fresh grass. Free-range chickens have 3 critical nutritional stages, boosting immunity and digestive development. Feed type, industrial chick feed, 21% protein, or homemade mixes with fish meal. Soybean meal, and ground corn. Feeding method, day 1, only provide electrolyte and vitamin C water to boost immunity. Day 2, start feeding fine mash, divided into 6 to 7 meals per day. Day 5, add finely chopped greens to introduce natural food. Note, keep the co-op warm, provide clean water, and avoid chilling. 21 to 42 days, bone and muscle development. Feed type, mixed feed with 18 to 19% protein, increasing corn and rice bran. Feeding method, feed 5 times per day. Add greens and duckweed. Gradually reduce industrial feed, increasing natural food. Note, start letting chickens explore the free-range area but limit exposure to external environments to prevent diseases. Fattening stage, 43 days and older. Feed type, mainly corn, rice bran, cassava, and soaked paddy, reducing industrial feed to below 10%. Feeding method, morning, mixed feed, noon, greens, evening, whole paddy and corn to stimulate digestion and nutrient absorption. Note, fully free-range the chickens to promote muscle development and firm meat. To reduce feed costs while ensuring nutrition, use this mix. Ground corn, 50%, rice bran, 20%, fish meal, 10%, soybean meal, 10%, bone meal plus trace minerals, 5%, greens, finely chopped, mixed into moist feed, 5%. This formula can reduce costs by 30% compared to using only industrial feed. Avoid spoiled or moldy feed, can cause poisoning and mass deaths. Avoid sudden feed changes, transition gradually over 3 to 4 days. Provide clean water, chickens can survive 24 hours without food but only 12 hours without water. Avoid overfeeding, overeating can cause digestive issues and reduce nutrient absorption. A proper diet is the secret to fast growth, delicious meat, and fewer diseases. Once you master the feeding formula for each stage, combined with natural food sources, your costs will drop significantly, but profits will soar. Are you ready to apply these tips to improve your farming efficiency? In free-range chicken farming, prevention is better than cure. Without a proper prevention strategy, a single disease outbreak can wipe out all your efforts and investments. Therefore, follow the 5 no's principle. No exposure to pathogen, limit access by strangers and other animals. No dirty coops, clean and disinfect regularly. No contaminated water, monitor water quality. No nutritional deficiencies, ensure a balanced diet. No delayed vaccination, follow the vaccination schedule strictly. Disinfect the co-op weekly. Clean and empty the co-op for at least 15 days before introducing new birds. Collect and treat manure daily using biological methods to avoid pollution. Regularly replace bedding to keep it dry and clean. Test water regularly, avoiding untreated natural water sources. Use quality feed, free from mold and expiration. Supplement vitamins, minerals, and digestive enzymes to boost immunity. Vaccination is crucial for a healthy flock. Consult veterinarians for a proper vaccination schedule. Additionally, monitor the flock daily. If you notice signs like loss of appetite, ruffled feathers, or lethargy, isolate and treat them immediately. Newcastle disease, avian paramyxovirus. Symptoms include wheezing, rapid breathing, and neurological issues. Isolate and use antibiotics as directed. Gumboro. Symptoms include white diarrhea, ruffled feathers, and loss of appetite. Provide electrolytes and vitamins, and monitor closely. Avian influenza. Severe symptoms, high mortality. Report to veterinary authorities immediately. Infectious bronchitis. Symptoms include sneezing, nasal discharge, and reduced appetite. Enhance hygiene and keep the flock warm. Chicks, 1 to 21 days. Provide high-protein feed with vitamins A, D, and E for bone and immune development. Growers, 22 to 42 days. Add minerals. Reduce protein to avoid obesity. Fattening stage, 43 days and old. Provide energy-rich feed but avoid excessive fat. Add garlic to water, boosts immunity and ACTs as a natural antibiotic. Use apple cider vinegar, aids digestion and prevents intestinal diseases. Natural herbs, betel leaves, turmeric, and ginger have antibacterial properties. Disease prevention isn't just about vaccination and disinfection, it's a comprehensive management system from nutrition to daily health monitoring. If you follow these measures, your flock will stay healthy, grow well, and deliver maximum profits. Turn your chicken coop into a true gold mine with the right prevention strategy today. Free-range chicken farming isn't just about raising chickens, it's also about managing waste effectively. Without proper handling, chicken waste can become a serious environmental pollutant, affecting human and animal health. But if managed correctly, it can be a golden resource that boosts profits, protects the environment, and improves agricultural quality. The main types of waste in chicken farming include manure, the largest waste source, which can pollute the environment if not handled properly. However, it's also an excellent organic fertilizer if utilized correctly. Wastewater includes water from cleaning the co-op, leftover drinking water, and rainwater seeping into the co-op. Solid waste includes feathers, leftover feed, veterinary drug packaging, vaccine bottles, syringes, and disposable tools. Dead birds, a particularly hazardous waste type that can carry pathogens. Improper handling can lead to disease outbreaks. A scientific waste management system minimizes pollution, utilizes resources, and saves costs. Here are some key solutions. Chicken manure is rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, essential nutrients for plant growth. However, untreated manure can contain harmful bacteria, damaging crops and the environment. Manure treatment methods. Composting. Collect manure in a dedicated composting area, away from the co-op. Mix manure with dry materials like straw, sawdust, or husks to enhance decomposition. Turn the pile regularly to provide oxygen, speeding up microbial activity. After 30 to 60 days, the compost is ready for use as organic fertilizer. Microbial treatment. Add microbial agents to the compost pile to accelerate decomposition, reduce odor, and kill harmful bacteria. Wastewater from chicken farming contains manure, leftover feed, and pathogens. To prevent pollution, build sedimentation tanks. Construct multi-chamber tanks to filter waste before discharge. Use natural filters like sand and activated carbon to remove impurities. Reuse treated water. Use treated water for irrigation or cleaning. Conserving water resources. Dead birds must be handled properly to prevent disease spread. Common methods include sanitary burial. Choose a site far from water sources, residential areas, and the co-op. Dig a pit at least 1 meter deep. Sprinkle lime or microbial agents to speed up decomposition and prevent water contamination. Incineration. The safest method, requiring specialized incinerators to completely destroy pathogens. Biogas digesters. For large farms, build digesters to process dead birds along with manure, producing nutrient-rich organic fertilizer. Other waste types like veterinary drug packaging, syringes, and vaccine bottles should be collected separately and disposed of according to hazardous waste regulations. Never discard them carelessly, as they can pollute the environment and spread diseases. Effective waste management not only protects the environment but also offers practical benefits. Reduces disease risks, saves costs by utilizing organic fertilizer, promotes sustainable farming practices, enhances product value, ensuring long-term farm stability. Waste management in free-range chicken farming isn't just a responsibility, it's an opportunity to optimize production and increase profits. If done right, you can turn waste into a valuable resource. Are you ready to apply these methods to make your farm a sustainable model? If you think chicken farming waste is useless, you're mistaken. Waste management not only reduces pollution but also offers a potential business opportunity. Let's explore how to turn waste into profit. Chicken manure is rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, essential nutrients for plant growth. However, proper treatment is necessary for effective use. Thermophilic composting, the most common method, killing pathogens and making manure more absorbable. Mix manure with sawdust, straw, and microbial agents, then compost for 3 to 4 weeks. The pile can reach 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, speeding up decomposition and reducing odor. Microbial fermentation. Use microbial agents like effective microorganisms to accelerate decomposition, reduce odor, and produce nutrient-rich organic fertilizer. Vermicomposting. Earthworms can process manure into high-quality organic fertilizer. Direct application. After composting, use manure as fertilizer for vegetables, fruit trees, and industrial crops. Pelletized organic fertilizer. Many companies now produce pelletized organic fertilizer from chicken manure for easy storage and use. Manure sales. If you have a large farm, sell manure to crop farms or partner with fertilizer companies. Dead birds must be handled properly to prevent disease spread. Incineration. The safest method, requiring specialized incinerators to completely destroy pathogens. Sanitary burial. If incineration isn't possible, bury dead birds at least 1 meter deep. Sprinkle lime or microbial agents to speed up decomposition and prevent water contamination. Microbial treatment. Some microbial agents can safely and quickly decompose dead birds. Never discard dead birds. This can spread diseases to nearby farms. Designated disposal area. For large farms, set up incineration or burial sites. Record daily deaths. Helps monitor flock health and detect disease outbreaks early. Chicken farming wastewater contains organic matter and pathogens. Proper treatment is essential. Sedimentation and filtration. Let wastewater flow into sedimentation tanks to remove solids before further treatment. Microbial treatment. Use beneficial microbes to break down organic matter. Cleaning the water. Reuse treated water. With proper treatment, wastewater can be reused for irrigation or cleaning. Use automatic drinkers. To minimize water waste. Harvest rainwater. To reduce clean water usage. Avoid high pressure cleaning. Use controlled water spraying instead. Other waste types like feed bags, antibiotic bottles, and vaccine vials should be handled properly. Feed bags. Collect and sell to recycling facilities. Antibiotic bottles. Store separately and dispose of according to regulations. Vaccine syringes. Never discard carelessly. Collect and dispose of properly. Separate bins for different waste types. Collect and dispose of waste regularly. To avoid accumulation and pollution. Educate workers. On the importance of proper waste disposal. Waste management in chicken farming not only protects the environment but also offers significant economic benefits. If utilized correctly, you can turn waste into gold, keeping your farm clean while generating additional income from organic fertilizer, recycled water, and other recycled products. Are you ready to apply these methods to your farming model? Free-range chicken farming isn't just a job, it's an art that requires meticulousness, patience, and smart strategies. To turn your chicken coop into a true gold mine, you need to understand and execute each step of the farming process correctly. Step 1. Choose the location. A well-located farm not only minimizes disease risks but also creates an ideal living environment for your flock. Isolation from residential areas and adherence to hygiene standards will protect your chickens from pathogens. Step 2. Design the co-op. The co-op is the chicken's home. So building a clean, ventilated, and convenient environment is crucial. A well-designed co-op reduces disease risks, increases farming efficiency, and ensures healthy, evenly developed chickens. Step 3. Free-range area. A spacious, shaded, and rotationally grazed area allows chickens to exercise, boosts immunity, and enhances natural nutrient absorption. This not only promotes healthy growth but also delivers superior meat quality. Step 4. Choose the breed. The breed determines 50% of farming success. Selecting a breed suited to your climate and farming model ensures high productivity, low mortality, and optimal economic efficiency. Step 5. Nutrition plan. It's not just about feeding enough, it's about feeding right. A scientifically balanced diet tailored to each growth stage ensures fast growth, fewer diseases, and high-quality meat. Step 6. Clean water. Clean water is crucial but often overlooked. A hygienic, uncontaminated water source boosts immunity and reduces the risk of infectious diseases. Step 7. Disease prevention. Prevention is always better than cure. Adhering to vaccination schedules, regular cleaning, and daily health monitoring minimizes risks and keeps your flock in top condition. Step 8. Waste management. It's not just about handling manure. If managed correctly, waste can become valuable organic fertilizer, optimizing profits and protecting the environment. In summary, free-range chicken farming isn't simple, but if done right, it can become a sustainable, profitable business. The combination of knowledge, technique, And passion is the key to success. Start today, be patient and follow each step methodically. Because success doesn't come from luck but from relentless effort. Wishing you success on your free-range chicken farming journey. Are you ready for this $1 million game?